Big up yourself.
Big up.
Big up yourself. Make them know for there now.
I come from town.
I come from town. You see there?
Yeah, right. Maroon Festival, man. You see, pretty.
So you know
thank you.
You know we have to be here. The world have to see this.
That's what they go, man.
So we have to be here.
Thank you so much.
So you see the pork? See the pork? The pig watch himself a roast. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Watch you like every single day.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Look, Chum, let me show you the pig. You see the pig watch himself a roast?
Yeah.
Reading. Hey, you. Oh, go on.
Together in this.
Yes.
Big up. Randy Pottinger.
Come here, chubby little boy.
Randy Pottinger. Jamaica good life.
Thank you so much for the support.
Hey.
Yes, man. You're big up every time.
Greetings.
Hey.
Take a video with me and him. Cool. If I never me and him, you know. Come here, man.
See there. See there. That is it. That is it.
Whoever know.
Chubby.
Let me tell you from long. We start with
Yeah. See there, man. See there, man. They are on the journey, and this is Randy Pottinger.
And we always say him start the thing, you know. We never yet say without.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Oh God. You're the right period of their feet now? You're the right banana. Fine. Alright, bless you.
Nice one.
Which one of them?
Oh, yeah,
8 bills.
$8 bills.
8 bills to this, me a Jamaican, you know. I think some come from, you know.
Here no day, no here no day. Here gone one, you know.
Why you not give one sweet food?
You
them look at them and make a give. You cut them like you see.
country down to the bone.
Nice beer, them. You see as ugly as you see it, feel it. You don't say no right. Just feel it.
You know what? I know them, man.
Alright, I just go show you. I'm gonna make your taste. I'm gonna make your taste.
Huh?
You're gonna get one. I'll give you one. I'll give you one. Yeah. Just taste it. Taste the quality. I'll give you two. Nice.
Alright, give thanks. Yeah. Two beer, $1. Two of them make it for us.
Two of them for 1,000? Whoa.
Wow. Miss me. Miss me. Guys, I'm back here in Mandeville, here to see Chubby Ross.
Is that the mango?
Huh?
Is that the?
Yeah. Yes, love, I'm back again. I'm back here in Mandeville. Chubby Ross. Where's Chubby? Chubby. Chubby. Not in there. Yes guys, I just make a stop off here to pick up Chubby Ross. You know Chubby Ross already, you probably see him already in the video. You know, from Jamaica, Elizabeth Valley. You know, get him and then we was go on the way to the Maroon Festival, so that's where we're heading to. So we stop here in Mandeville, so we're not far away right now. So this is the first stop. We're going to stop right now, pick up Chubby Ross and get go. So welcome guys, welcome. So you know we're on the journey here to St. Elizabeth, you know, to the Maroon Festival. You know, we stop off here in Mandeville. It was quite a bit journey, so you know we still have another journey to go, not far away here. You know, so thank you so much guys for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. Don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up while you're watching. So welcome. So today we're gonna have a wonderful day. My first time visiting the Maroon Festival. You know, it's my first experience, so I cannot wait to see what it's gonna look like. So guys, remember to give the video a like, you know, whenever you're watching. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend, or you can subscribe if you haven't subscribed to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, so now we're here in Mandeville, gonna head out back to St. Elizabeth. So we're just here to meet my friend of mine, Chubby Ross, from Jamaica, Elizabeth Valley. You know, if you see him already, you're gonna see him again. You know, so that's where we are now in Mandeville. As you can see, the view of where we are. So guys, so just stay tuned. And remember, give the video a like, a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Kane Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, I set up. Come.
They are back at Lambert's place.
Turn off your car.
You know the turn off car?
I'm driving.
We're back here at Lambert. Okay.
This is the boy who wanted to give me his phone.
Yeah, that's one. That's one right there.
Hey, yeah, boy. Hey.
Where's my phone? That you wanted to give me that.
I supposed to see him.
Hey, but you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
In favor, yourself.
Yeah, man, that's the league, man.
Stalik. In the car, you more me.
You don't want no jacket, brother.
No jacket.
Yeah, we do it, man, you know. Watch your head, then.
Yeah. I am tall, so I have to watch my head.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Yeah.
You're
Watch
too tall. You need to be cut short.
Oh.
Yeah, refurbish.
Oh, so yeah, refurbish.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Yeah,
I'll call you from mansion.
Just what you do with no wall, man.
I want you to put up here. Sir.
Blue.
Glue?
Blue funny. Right there, me and I put me on camera.
Oh,
No, the
God.
guys me get that out, you know?
Yeah.
Really, so.
Nice place it up down here, man.
Nice flat, I tell you, man. Very good flat, man.
Nice place.
Yeah, we go room here and do some
Bathroom and everything.
bathroom and so. And then we have one other room and so.
Oh, another room.
Yeah, another room and so. Yeah.
A nice place it up here, man. Ali.
Yeah, man.
Upstairs there.
They live her up man and tell her, yeah, we left, man. Tired of that, you know?
Are you doing all of this work?
And we do that over there. We get somebody come and go do that. And when I start the kitchen now, you know?
Yeah.
When I start the kitchen, everybody
Kitchen.
cover them and everything like that, you know?
Yeah.
And we got furnish.
Yeah.
That means if anybody wants a short term,
Oh, short term.
short term, yeah.
So in terms of your short term, how long is your short term?
6 months.
6 months.
The local.
The local.
Short term.
Okay.
Foreigner, they can't give you 9 months because they pay them bill.
Okay.
But you don't want nobody, you know, they don't want Jamaica, they in their house, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And 3 months, them and them have to live up.
Okay. Yeah.
But foreigner, now we different, you know?
Yeah.
I know people want a place to stay, they have 2 weeks, a month, and all that thing, you know?
Yeah. Only if they come in time. The other day one time the car for the booking.
Yeah, that's why I tell you never equip for that.
Yes,
But
yes.
they say I want to equip for it, you know?
Yeah.
So me that I go.
So the short term is for foreigners 6 months.
Yeah man, foreigner, you can't stay here because foreigner they pay them
They
bill.
pay them bill.
They pay them bill, you know?
And the locals them.
Local them, they don't pay them bill and they want to go do it in feel like in your place, you know?
Yeah, because this is the last time to give you a warm
Yeah man,
time.
I have to live for up man, I have to live for up.
Oh.
Cut off the light, cut off water for that, move up, you know me can't
Yeah. So Lee, if you want to move to Mandeville, he's going to be available.
What? It's too big.
It's too big?
You can't live here without a husband.
You find one in time. Yeah?
He's not.
I like it. So Lambert, if me I rent me a long term.
You can't get long term man, you're good man, I have four about you.
So can get for my price. So guys, so we can get the forever term, not long term, not short term. I get the forever term.
The forever term.
The forever, yeah man, Lambert is nice man. So guys, so soon, and later it's gonna be ready.
Yeah.
So if you feel like yes, so if you're close and you want somewhere to stay in Fairfield Mountain, feel free to
The
contact.
coolest place. Everyone else here used to wear a hoodie in the evening.
Yeah, guys, you know in here is cool.
You don't need anything.
So cool. So guys, feel free to contact Lambert. Remember, contact me and I give you the information for this place renting out here in Mandeville, Fairfield. You cannot go around. You have the bathroom here, lovely. So it's a 2 room. You have a room here, you know. Lambert, Turn the music for me a little bit. The music. Turn a little bit for me. Yeah, so you have one room here, you know, and you have a bathroom and kitchen right here. And over here you have another room as well too, you know, and in here is where you got a kitchen, you know, a lot of cooking, you know, the cupboards them there. And here is your living area, you know, living area. And I'm telling you, in here is cool. No AC, no fan you don't need. The place is well cool and it is available.
Pretty tiles as well.
Yeah, as you can see the tiles on the floor is very lovely. So back here, remember, he is the top chef here in Fairfield Mountain. So you cannot go wrong. You have all inclusive when you come. Alright, Lammy, all inclusive. Cook, tour guide, you name it. Everything. And so the young general, yeah, his son. You're a chef too? I'll be next chef.
Exactly like his
I'm gonna tell you,
Exactly. We came to ask.
carve him out.
You know what's a jacket?
Yeah,
Jacket?
You know what a jacket is?
No.
That's where they give a man a kid where the kid don't belong to that
Man,
family.
yeah.
Oh, this one is a copy.
So this will be a view.
Ask.
This is in your yard space, you know. So this is what you'll be seeing in front of you. So this is the house here, you know.
Neighbor right.
And this is what your view will be like. So yes guys, so you know we're going to head out now, go see Chubby Ras and then try to hit it out.
For him?
Yeah.
Oh, as long
Yes,
as
Lammy.
I've ever seen you,
Like what's going on? We know so we're going to move now.
Them man are not.
Go hit the road, kind of take on this.
This now is a different one, you know.
A different one this?
Yeah, man, it's a different
Oh,
one.
so you're going to start this one
Yeah,
out?
man, it's me ready to work on it, you know.
Okay.
Some work on it, you know.
Wow.
Big
Big
place,
man.
Yeah, man.
Both upstairs and downstairs.
Sit on it, man.
Yes, I. Is that how much room as well?
1.5 room.
1.5 room.
Big, you know.
Wow.
The bathroom on there, so.
Yeah.
The barber little room up there so they can sit and just chill.
Okay.
so big.
And then the bathroom up over
Oh,
there,
this
so.
is the bathroom one.
So you do all of this work, Lammy?
Most of them are midweek, you know.
Most of them.
He's a builder, so.
But internet car. Yeah, I mean, most of what we get, we mason man them,
Yeah.
they handle this.
Yeah,
Like the
right.
flooring and everything, now,
Are
we
you
handle that, you know. The
talented?
plumbing pipe, the plumbing them, and me handle it.
Talented.
The electrician come in and it, and the roof, you know, and me go handle that.
And
You know me, I
yeah.
say?
That is it. So
yeah.
work in
Yeah, man,
progress.
so I push, and I want to get this done with, you know.
Yes, sir.
I want to jump back on that because I left off of that and come on this. Yeah,
And plus you have upstairs as well too.
Yeah, and upstairs, me have the roof in upstairs.
Jeez.
It's good.
Yeah man, very big man. It's good man, it's nice. So guys, if you're here in Mandeville, you know, are you want to stay here in Mandeville, Fairfield Mountain? Yes, as they say, know the thing go, isn't it? You can link up Lambert, you can contact me to get his contact information. Same way, you know, if you want to stay here in Mandeville. This is the yard space, as you can see.
What do you hear somebody call me Sally?
Douglas, yeah, sharp. Down there. Yes guys, so we're going to head out now, you know, on the journey to St. Elizabeth. So stay tuned. Lammy, we will definitely catch up again.
All the time, you know?
Yes, I. The one time home.
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
You know, if you go home, you call me. You know, you have a
Yeah, man. Yeah. Definitely. Come down here, look for you. So you're in already?
Yeah, we just have to go.
I have a brush.
Oh, that yeah, oh.
Get
Just continue to go and see me?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Alright.
I didn't know what I had.
Me, I can't wait. Can you imagine I could have missed this? Well, full of
Blessed.
Blessed.
Money car now. Much paid?
150 please. Bless it.
Bless the car. No button, nothing at all.
Huh?
How you doing?
We have jerk chicken, fried chicken, manish water. Paco. Come out here. Park, yes, park. Come out here.
You park right there though.
Yeah.
Man, you just park by the place. Okay, change the battery.
I changed just now.
Manish water, fried
Wow.
chicken, jerk chicken.
My legs them. Hello.
Yeah, no stretch out, man.
No far, not drive from
Man to the beer?
firing.
Hey.
Not drive from firing.
Exercise the leg, man.
Yeah.
Now you still have a good little journey to go around.
What are you not saying?
About 3 more miles to go. 3 more
You more
miles
mile?
to go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Traffic on there? So the best thing, how far for park and walk then?
You can't walk out here.
You can't look at here. The parking lot up there, put in a car. Because when I not drive here, so come back. And one way in and one
And then you're going to take a next road, come out.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so this is
Ma.
the way in, and then you're going to have to go out.
You have change by your chubby? Chubby? You have change on you?
Wow.
$50.
How much do you sell, mommy? It's so. This is Jamaican style food. I'm telling you, this is Jamaican way. Back home, in Jamaica,
I will take you.
put water and let it boil.
That's in
So how much for this, mommy? 150 Jamaican. And what's in here? Maybe you have no food.
So what's the name of this neighborhood?
Retirement.
Oh, retirement.
This is retirement. Then you have family hall, white hall.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Retirement.
Yeah, so you have to enter this way in, and then you have a next road, Cedar Spring. Oh.
Okay. So, we're going to a shorter way back to Kingston.
No.
No. You see them
You're
way.
coming from Mandeville way?
Yeah. I'm coming to the festival and think it's very close in St. Elizabeth. After I come up Mandeville, it's another hour and something.
St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, and then you enter St. Elizabeth. You're almost on the border of St. James and St. Elizabeth.
We're inside the middle of the
St. Elizabeth, right.
belly.
Right.
Cockpit country.
Right.
You born down here? Yeah?
Push your can give me
Would they encourage me to live down here? Would they encourage me to live here?
Bell of country life.
Of course I love country life.
St. Elizabeth life is the best life, right here. Yeah, you know that St. Elizabeth is the bread basket?
I never come to this TV yet. It's a way in London.
Yes, retirement. Wow.
This is the
Right in the arc.
Nobody.
Huh?
Nobody are talking.
Yeah, man, the journey continue.
Where's you been? Yeah, been. There you go. You know, like, guys, the journey.
This is jack chicken.
I was still not reached yet. I was still not reached to a destination as yet. So after you come from Mandeville, and then you another hour and about 20 minutes, hour and 15 minutes, see me to get up here. Now we're at retirement. I was still not reached as yet. Right now we are at retirement. I was still not reach where we're going as yet.
I feel like fun already.
Right?
Right?
The journey.
Mommy, it's good.
The journey. So this is retirement. I notice everybody sitting up on the hill. More vehicle. I know say we need to start get moving because the more vehicle go in front of us,
I'm more longer.
and more traffic, like how the lady said, it's gonna be traffic, right?
Yeah, you want chicken.
Traffic.
See there?
Yeah, look. More vehicle. We want to leave here about at least 4:30. Leave everything. Yeah? Yeah. Definitely leave here about them time because the journey is far. I know we're going back to a far journey. Descendants.
Descendants?
Yeah. You see the drive? I'm telling you, that is on a journey. So let's see. If we cannot make it, we'll just crash that Chobiras. You know, because that's a whole heap of driving. Right, Oliver and Carla? Them say, Kino, you're tour. Right now, we can show everybody around Jamaica right now. So, guys, don't think me general.
Read me that. Jamaica with them.
That is
one
it.
love and one unity.
That is it. Retirement. So, what them call up here retirement? In general, what them call up here retirement?
Retirement harmony holiday.
What them call it retirement? Or be a retirement people up here?
You know, people go and then retire and come back.
Okay.
You understand?
That's them give it the name. Retirement. So guys, in use. Yeah man. So guys, as I said, the journey is worth it. Even though we're not reach it, so we want to get the move on, you know, so we can take on the next journey. So stay tuned. You know, that is it.
Alright, pretty late.
Yeah.
Enjoy the time.
Alright, take care.
Enjoy the time in the compound.
Alright, yeah, mommy.
Alright, darling, take care.
Okay, bye.
Alright, thank you.
So guys, we're gonna head back on the journey right now because we still haven't reached as yet. So imagine that. Greetings.
Hey, Kino!
Yo! Oh, go on.
Together in this.
Yes.
Big up.
Big up.
Ah, Randy Pottinger.
Come here, chubby little boy.
Randy Pottinger. Jamaica good life.
Thank you so much for the support.
Hey.
Yes, man. You're big up every time.
Greetings.
Hey.
Take a video with me and him. Come.
Yeah.
If I never me and him, you know. Come here, man.
See there. See there. That is it.
Yeah, man.
That is
Look
it.
like, whoever know,
Chubby.
Let me tell you from long. We start with
Yeah. See there, man. See there, man. They on the journey, and this is Randy Pottinger.
And we always say him start the thing, you know, we never yet say without our video when we know
Yeah.
you start the thing, you know.
Yeah. See there. So guys, when you hear me, I always say Jamaica good life. Yeah, that's where it started from. This is Randy Pottinger. Yeah, the man himself. You know.
Chubby, come over here.
Come here, Chubby.
People.
And Chubby Ras,
You
right?
see this guy right here? A Chubby did call Jamaica Good Life. And the youth them from CVU push the bus. My God, for soon.
Yes, sir.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah,
You
man.
know something?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, soon enough. So
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yes, guys, so that is Randy Pottinger. Well, we now only see the face, you know, from Jamaica Good Life. You know, that's where it started from. You know, and this is where the journey is now. You know, Jamaica, good life. So it's good to see him, you know. It is what it is. Mommy, see it there, the movement. Jamaica, good life. Right, Chubby? That's where we're coming from. Big up yourself.
Big up.
Big up yourself. Make them know for there now.
I come from town.
I come from town. You see there?
Yeah, right. Maroon Festival, man. You see, pretty.
So you know
Thank you.
You know we have to be here. The world have to see this.
I said there you go, man.
So we have to be here. Exclusive, you know?
I said there you go.
So we know what you can do, you know. Like, welcome. Big up, big up, big up. I'm walking safely. That'll be a good exercise. How far is the driver? How far is they reach now?
Yeah, man, actually, you can go by the side, don't you?
So we can park in with them.
If you can get far, but you can go.
Short more than.
Everybody know you.
Yes, everybody know you.
Everybody know you, Doctor.
Big up, man. Big up, man. It's always great for me, one of our subscribers, yeah? Yeah. It's yours, right?
Oh yeah, thank you.
So,
watch a show, man. You're doing a good job, you know?
yeah, man. Give thanks, man. Why I'm not like places are hot. I never know I could even find a park. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're here now, trying to get a parking. I know we're gonna head down to where everything is taking place. So we're here in a compound. Alright, big up, right? Yeah, man, big up. Alright, let's do this. Wow, it was a whole day driving, a whole day parking.
But somehow I'm not happy. some of my subscribers, they lied to me that I need to dress like this, which is not even a must. People are in their different attires, shorts, battery riders, everything.
What I'm saying not supposed to,
to wear like short stuff. Look at how I'm dressed up. So much.
So you don't want to wear shorts?
Of course.
Come back.
It's hard.
It's hot. Even Kino is in shorts, guys. Look.
I'm always in shorts. So what do you think?
Look at my friends. Jesus Christ. And D, look. This is not fair. Sometimes I won't be listening to you guys. Wow. Holy people. No parking at all. So guys, subscribe and stick around. You haven't seen nothing yet, okay? This is just the arrival.
Hey. Up on arrival. We are up on arrival. Are we here? So guys, so what else?
My leg is good. But one thing that I'm not really happy about, sometimes
Alright. So we have Chubby Ras, Jamaica Hills and Valley. You know the thing though. You know the link will be in the description. Jamaica Hills and Valley, so guys, so please go and check it out. You know, and you have demo and go around there. So you know where it goes. The sun is shining that way. So you know a bit how it goes already, guys.
Kapash TV.
Kapash TV.
Like, share,
and subscribe.
Anything for do with the galactic, the magnetic in the fields of any time. And we move the current there. You see me, I say that's over there, west with there.
Yes. Big up.
Big up yourself.
Big up.
Kapash TV.
Alright, every time. Kapash TV. Kapash TV. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, guys, up here is active. Very active, very active. So you know, say it's definitely this festival is like any carnival. You know, everything is out and everyone is out. Chubby Ras. Wow. Active. It is. Guys, it's really active here in the place. Really active here, not even lying. The place is busy. I don't know how some people is gonna get some parking, but trust me. For me too, yes, that's look at the view. And it's a sea view. It's an island view.
Where is it? I don't know, see you know today.
No, it's an island view over there. That's a sea view.
I'm finally get to
Yeah. Mommy was saying, Kina, you need to go.
Yeah, man, it takes a long time.
Don't it? And I tell you, the place is active. What is like? So. Today's the final day, right? Today is the final day of it. So you know how it goes already. What are they?
Nice to meet you.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
I'm alright. Nice to see you.
Yes.
Big up.
Thank you so much.
Big up, man.
Thank you for the support, man. It means the world.
So we here.
The TV don't come off for you guys.
Don't come off?
No, man.
Thank you so much. So that means that I'm going to help you pay your bill then.
What? I don't know.
It's like I have to help you pay that bill. Thank you so much for watching, man, all the time. Where are you from, the US?
Yeah,
man.
but I live down here now.
You live down here now? You've been here? You've been here a long time? You reached a long time?
We brought ourselves at your foot.
Thank you so much.
Hey, you do charity too. I want you guys.
Thank you so much.
I might don't comment, but I watch you guys.
This is me.
Greetings. Are you eating the chicken?
Yes, I'm eating my chicken.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. So what is fish there? What is soup?
Come to see what you came late.
I came late.
Watch out, your brother too. And everything already finished.
Everything.
No, everything's not finished. And I watch your mom too. But like the culture, the way how they do things, that was early in the morning. Happy to see you guys.
Happy to see you as well. And thank you so much for watching, you know. Thank you so much.
And come all the way down here.
Well, at least it's not finished yet, so we can go and catch some, right? You know, it's better late than never. Right, so we're here.
Because we came from so far.
And the traffic.
I know. You're going to be crazy later. You know where we came from? St. Thomas.
What?
St. Thomas.
You heading back there tonight?
Yeah. All people say go to a compound, go to Maroons. I see you go to Portland.
Yeah.
She was in St. Thomas too.
Yeah, in St. Thomas too.
Yeah, it was in St. Thomas.
Don't feel no way. We watch you guys.
Thank you, man.
We appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna catch it.
She's from Kenya.
Wow, hello. What's your big? Oh, you get a jelly. What you getting? Oh, Chubby's not getting the jelly, man. Get the high grade.
Oh, you selling it? Kojo.
Jelly, how much is jelly? How much?
200 as well.
Let me get one now, please. Sweet one. What them say? Can you drink jelly on empty stomach?
Yeah, man, the best thing.
And the best thing?
I mean,
I show me?
Yes. Yeah, man.
Because I not eat anything on the journey.
Yeah, everything.
That's my best thing, man. And the whole of them sleep.
You see it?
Yes,
I'm taking your word for it. How you like the festival so far?
Enjoy myself. It's great.
So late, but them say better late than never, right?
Never, yeah.
Yeah, so at least I will catch something. I don't know what I'm going to catch, but hopefully I catch something.
Alright?
Right? Alright. Up in the club, that's how we are go. Alright, see that.
Sure.
Yeah. You want another one?
Washing off the heart. Greetings. I love your drinks.
Yes, this is sweet.
Sweet? You know, it's like sweet. Without the straw? You need one too?
That's really hard way.
Thank you so much. Woo!
Yes, Rasta.
A day shouldn't end without washing out the You know, this is...
Hello. Ciao, big up, man. Yeah, see how they. Alright, then big up, yeah? Thank you. Eh?
Look at me. Like
No.
You're used to this.
I know. Bless up. Big up.
Greetings, mommy, and thank you so much.
She's from Kenya.
Are you from Kenya?
Yes, yes.
How is Kenya, my sister?
Kenya is beautiful. I'm now in Jamaica. I love it also here.
Oh, so your spirit bring it to Jamaica before you came physically here?
Yes, that is it. My dream.
That is it. One love, man, every time, right? Alright, Empress.
You want to come to Jamaica before, you know, spirit come here before you.
Yeah, man, guys, so it's always good to meet our subscribers. You know, and I'm gonna tell you this, there are enough up here. Yeah, they're here a lot. They're up here a lot, you know, so we give thanks. Over there you're gonna check out their compound. Our first time, even though we're late. Better late than never. You know, it's late than never. We're gonna head up to where the music is and everything. So here we got our subscribers everywhere. No, I smile, you know. No, I smile. So this is a sign of a compound. So we are here. Welcome to a compound. Going in the building. So we here in the building.
Well active.
Rasta D.
Who?
Rasta D. Rasta D.
I'm a Rasta D.
You see about your locks? What is?
I have my locks on.
Forgot?
Locks.
Rasta D.
I tell you.
And the place is busy.
Empress D.
Well, it's not so clear yet still. Now I can't hear. Once I talk now, it's not going to really affect it. So when they get a clear sound. Yes guys, so I'm going to tell you the place is active. You know, and you can hear the music, so we're going to try to get all the copyright music. You know, and get up. So up there you have the flag. Look on that history. Get some of the history here. Hello. I'm going to say Wagwan.
Hi.
Hello. Yes, sir. Fish. You need a fish. What is fish? I want a fish. Now go back and come back. I want a fish. Having ate nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing.
At least for me, I had some
jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Jerk chicken Ross, welcome.
You don't know where they are again, their yard again.
Yeah.
We go abroad, but we have to come back a yard.
Come back a yard. How they are there? The Maroon Festival. Guys, trust me. Festival, this is it. Why is it hot?
It's not just but cold.
So, come here, Rasta. Rasta, turn up your Rasta. It's got pure oil. You got fried fish.
The best.
Fried fish. I don't know, me forgot. Go and come back. How much for your fried fish? Fried fish.
5 bills? That's fine.
I'll go back and come back.
Hey, when me get us get
Which festival would you go already in Little Ochi? I mean, I ran to go one time on Lambert. Something like this, right?
Yes, you know what you look at all the while. You see, you know me, I want to wish you.
You see me?
That's where I am. Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you. Pick up yourself, man. Don't be shy.
And some of the crew, J-Board and all of them.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Yes, guys, we always meet our subscribers. So whenever we meet our subscribers, if you're watching, thank you so much for watching our program, you know. It's right in the world. Thank you so much for watching our program. Blessed love, blessed love. Aya so nice, aya so nice, aya so nice. Hey D, aya so nice, aya so nice, aya so nice. Well. Look when the poker, when the pigger said the pigger of his nose ring, shades from the sun, right? Earrings. What a pigger name, General? When name? When name?
Ordinary, the pig, you don't even know give my name.
If you don't give my name, I look like somebody.
No, that's a Maroon Town pig.
Maroon Town pig, yo,
Yeah.
I'll go to my General.
Alright, the J.
So big up the Maroon Town pig. You know, see me, I'm in this now, right?
Big up Maroon Town.
Every time.
I'm from Facepen.
Maroon Town is now Goron Town.
Maroon Town is Goron Town. Uptown.
Uptown.
Alright, see. Original joint man there from St. Ann.
From St.
Maximum respect, yeah.
See there.
I'm from Facepen.
Facepen.
Yeah. Original here for 35 years, coming here.
What? That's a long time.
This decoration, me don't live and do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this decoration, is this the pig body now?
Yeah. It's a wild hog.
Is that wild
It's a
hog?
wild hog, yeah.
Oh.
Catch him in Portland.
Oh, in Portland?
Yeah. Not Boston jerk man, this one. It's a Facepen jerk man.
Okay.
Alright.
Pig I watch himself a roast.
Yeah, man, yeah.
The pig I watch himself a roast. Yeah. The pig man I watch himself a roast. And we have more over here, more. Alright, my General.
You sure you don't want to?
Alright, my General, big up, yeah?
Happy interview, but that's how you go.
Yeah, man, cool, man. So we know, so we're there, so every year you're there.
Every year.
What happened, you get licked?
No.
Oh.
Every year we're there.
Hi.
Hello.
I watch you on YouTube.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I can interview.
Can I interview?
Big up man from Facepen. Diego Whitebird, Robert, Cherry.
Yeah.
Original, Cherry, Robert, Andrew. Yeah. Junior, otherwise known as Junior. Shotman, yeah, we are on Facepen.
Thank you so much for watching me, mommy. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you so much.
So you see the pork? You see the pork? The pig I watch himself a roast. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meet you too.
What you like every single day.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Look, Chum, let me show you the pig. You see the pig I watch himself a roast?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Why you have to leave with him, son? Yes. Thank you so much, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, the pig I watch himself a roast, Chubby. Imagine that the pig is watching himself roasting. A wicked, right?
Not nice.
Not nice. It's cannot nice at all. But look at the crowd. Yes. Look at all. Hey, where said you like this festival here?
Yeah, looks nice.
Too much island. I need to find myself a fry fish. Go up, chill out, chill out.
I tell you, for sure this is a festival. People just eating. Ooh, look at this fish, looks good.
That's grown fish. Grown fish. The more we walk, we're gonna find.
We watching your show all the time.
Thank you so much. I tell you, Tina, how many people have we met?
So much. So up here is where everything is going on, right? I guess so.
Man with the chair.
Man with the chair. How much is the chair?
Yeah, I 2.5 for the chair and
Okay, relaxing. Man with the chair.
And Kino.
Hey.
You have to get in. You have to get in. So both you guys inspired me to start a YouTube.
Yeah, you did.
On my birthday, December 4th. More love.
More love. Well.
Hey, this is Kia Royal Travels. I'm happy to meet Kino and look.
Yes, ma'am.
So many of us subscribers,
Yeah, man.
we feel so
good.
After one step, we meet somebody. After one step,
Yes, I love it though. I love
Thank
it.
you so much for watching.
Positive vibes out here, you know.
That
Yeah.
is it.
I like it.
Yes.
They call it.
Represent Maroon.
Of course.
Since you're heading to the ground,
Take it.
I can part this to you,
Wait,
my
wait,
sis.
wait. I need to get this.
So D is headed to the burial ground. Tell me where you guys start.
Okay, here we go.
This is a vibe. So I'm here Royal Travels. I'm here at the Maroon, a compound town, and I ran into the lovely, lovely D, Mwanga,
And Kino.
So they're heading on the burial grounds where I just left. So I'm parting my sister with protection and guidance, and it's such an honor meeting both of you.
Thank you
This is
so
what
much.
sisters should be like, okay?
This is what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like love
Awesome.
and
This is
unity.
such good vibes, great vibes, and I love this.
Yeah, thank you so
So
much.
tell me something about the burial ground before I go there.
So pretty much the Ashanti form with
Oh,
the
so you got a stage and
Congolese,
everything up here.
when you
Burial ground. Wow.
and when you
Straight to 10 o'clock in the morning. I take one. And me come here. And take a man here. Can't stay. That him off.
Incense stick. These are the incense sticks.
Yeah, liar. Welcome. More for knowledge. More knowledge than cat.
I'm here ready.
So we have the Iron Tour and the defeat of the British by the Jamaica Maroons. Eagle love through tear. Let go of the past, connect with the present, expand the future. miseducation of the Negro. You know, so these are the books towards the African Revolution. World's great men of color. So you have some nice books here. Solomon's Secret. Very interesting. Very interesting. The first Black Slave Society. Finding God through sex, awakening to spirit. These books, pure knowledge.
Nice to meet you. The one that found you. He's the one that said, let me go get some book. I said, if there's books, it's only I need
So many knowledge here. Black and black violence. Black the curse. No towards higher ideal in Africa. So much knowledge. So many knowledge. So many knowledge. Blessed love, blessed love. Blessings, mommy. Blessings. General. I like it. So all the gentlemen them doing? How you doing? For greetings.
Shook your hand.
Just shook your hand. And for the ladies in us.
Heart to heart.
I'm loving it. I'm just getting used to knowing the culture, you know, so I'm really interested in loving it. Yeah. I love the look. Yes, sir. Peace and love.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Kingston.
Oh,
but you know, and I'm also a YouTuber where I do charity. We help for the less fortunate and them thing in Trenchtown, you know, where Bob Marley is from. We do charity in and around Trenchtown. But it's my first time here.
In
yeah, and I also got an empress with me from Kenya. You know, she's here. She just went over there. She's also a YouTuber from Kenya. So I've been guiding her around here in Jamaica. So she always want to understand about the Maroons, you know. So the first time I'm literally meeting.
We from the Maroons. We are connected with Africa. We have been in school by Kingdoms in Uganda and South Africa.
South Africa.
Yes.
Because I want to go Africa as well. So
no, really?
Yeah. What's the advice?
Oh gosh. Well, you should connect with us so that we can connect you with some of the kingdoms there.
No, it's not the card. This is something different. Let's have one after one.
Alright, let me take a picture here. Then
okay. Yeah, one second. Alright, take a picture.
Can I get a picture? Sure. Massive. Yes.
Yeah. You are here. You're working with her. Hold on, I wonder.
I'm in a family, man.
What are you?
A kino, man.
Oh, Jesus have mercy. Lord Jesus have mercy. Come here, say, hold on. I wonder for the young lady.
I'm a family, you know.
Yo, I watch you, man. Yo.
I'm a family, man.
Yeah, man.
Come here, look for myself over here.
Yes, man. I mean, man. Yeah, no, you're the family.
No, me.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, man.
Okay. My mommy have a close friend, no, man, close friend.
Oh, okay.
A close friend, man.
From Jamaica, good life. We come from here.
Watch out now. Watch out. Look at me never said. I'm about to leave, you know. Yeah, man.
Good thing never leave. Mommy, see there, family link up. Turn away. Mommy, see there, family link up. Finally meet up.
Alright, yeah man, yeah man.
Finally meet up. Come there, me I look at them and I'm like, come with them face look familiar.
Yeah man, for real man. Yeah, for real.
My island.
Yeah man, for real man.
My island, Jamaica.
For real man.
Because
yeah, special love man. Blessed love, yeah
yes,
man.
man.
I'm not like me watch theater people who can tune into this channel. I watch them all the time. Good man.
Yeah man, real coach from Westmoreland, the Big Sand Spring, Westmoreland, Jamaica, yeah man. One love.
Can we need to link up, cause?
Yeah man, yeah man. So I didn't realize this is the young lady here.
Yeah, me and her, they are move around.
Nice.
So
Nice.
They still gone?
Yeah, coming from a little side, I should have make a meal. The bigger one there, you eat.
Okay.
But then I two up there, no wife.
Oh, yeah. That's it, man. Into this side. Watch on the way. Oh, New York. Big up, man.
Okay.
Brooklyn. Queens.
Long Island, I don't know. Hempstead,
Yeah. Alright, big up. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah.
Hardball, say it, yeah. Man, say Brooklyn, the hustle.
Yeah. Hardball. Drop it in there. So if you drop the ball in,
3 ball 100, 3 ball 100.
$3 $100.
Then if it goes in,
You get anyone.
you get anything.
Yeah.
Okay, Kina, this is interesting.
You save me $100.
Oh, it can go
Alright,
somewhere.
Easy.
Yeah. You want to go and try?
Yeah, give the 100.
Go and try.
3 balls.
So anyone is dropping?
Yeah.
You win. From there. From where? The rest.
Just take your time and throw it right in the hole. 3 ball 100. Take your time, right.
What can I throw that? Drop it, make it bounce.
Bounce in anyhow you want to throw it right in the hole. Give it that. Yeah, throw it, take your time. Take your time.
It's not easy, you know, because the children are small. Once they jump into the bounce.
500.
Can't go in there, look. But you get just make you bump in. You can't take a try now.
I think I try.
I'm hold it for you, you take a try.
Hey, yes,
Me, I'm a good lucky girl. You remember when I went to Montego Bay, I gambled, I win. My rule, you win, you run.
Profit, you win and you
My
run.
rule is you win, you run. No playing again.
Yeah.
So good, I gave you back the 100 plus
profit.
2 plus profit.
Yes.
Guys, one thing I know with me, honestly, I'm a lucky girl in life. That's it. That's me and I know it. And something told me, look, you will win at the end of it all.
That they must compensate us, we the Negro African people, because we were here before they came. Blessed be the Most High. Joe
Rastafari!
Blessings and honor, Priest Kelly. Thank you so much
Joe.
for that. So I told you we have some dignitaries with us today. I'm going to introduce them in batches because we have quite a few. I'm going to ask them when I do it, they can stand for us so we know who they are. We have the Alto delegation with us. Mr. Kendrick Pyro Chamba Japardi now.
Come.
He is our OPC Maroons of Suriname with us today.
Come on, take it up then.
Dr. Yuna S. Tomlinson Clark, CD, first Caribbean-born woman elected to the New York City's legislature. A big friend of Maroons in Jamaica. Always great to have her here. We have Dr. Umar Johnson, Pan-African scholar, author, educator, and doctor of clinical psychology as well. We have Her Royal Highness Queen Asianut Akum II, Dr. Hilary Brown, Program Manager, Culture and Community Development at the CARICOM Secretariat. Queen Vicky Lexter Okang Sowan Omanye from the Kingdom of Ghana. Professor Dr. Maureen Shepherd, Professor Emerita of Social History at the University of the West Indies and Director of the Center of Reparation Research. Dr. Ben Yisrael, Holistic Wellness Advocate and Practitioner. We have Ras Bobby, herbalist and natural healer from the Caribbean Rastafarian Organization. Mr. Dean Passard, the USDA Food for Progress Jamaica Spice. The Honorable Adonna Parchment Brown, historian and former political ombudsman, is with us as well. So a little bit later on, I'm going to introduce the rest of the team that is here with us. Bless you. Thank you for being with us. But we're going to start now with some greetings on stage. And I'm going to begin with Mr. Kenrick Cairo. He is from the Okanisi Maroons of Suriname. And if I don't see making his way, then I'm going to begin with Professor Dr. Maureen Shepherd, Professor Emerita of History and Gender Studies at the University of the West Indies. I'm also going to ask the Honorable Donna Parchment Brown to make her way to the stage as well, because she will be speaking to us. I'll be running through them quickly. So first, before we get to that, Professor, we have the pouring.
Right? We pour libations to the earth to honor those who came before us, who lead the path for us, so that we could be guided down our destiny. So I like to say we are the medicine, because we are our ancestors' wildest dreams, right? So I won't talk too long. I'll start the libations. And so I just ask that you hold us. Amen.
I want you to welcome on stage the Akampong drummers. They're the Akampong youth group. Yes, and they're going to get this started for us in the right way. So let's hear it for the Akampong youth drummers.
Remember, I'm going to look the breadfruit. Yes. And what happened? I can't come back and find all that. Alright, so you burn it up. And breadfruit a good color. Yes, I got to see. Evidence. Alright, so you burn that.
No. Everything that's burned up is skin unresponsible.
Yes, sir. Alright, big up, yeah?
Thank you so much.
Alright, yeah. Big up, man.
Yes.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.